Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 File Explorer lagging. First method is use File Explorer's hotkey F11. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Fourth method is open File Explorer, click three dots, click Options. Change to this PC, uncheck Show recently used files in Quick Access, uncheck frequently used folders in Quick Access, click Clear. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.